smell the food from here.
Slow down, Leo. The restaurant isn't going anywhere.
But Daddy, my tummy is making funny noises. I'm so hungry.
Me too, Mia. I'm absolutely starving. This place smells delicious.
Here we are. The Sunshine Diner. It looks very cozy, doesn't it?
Look, they have giant burgers. Can I have a giant burger, Mom?
We will see the menu first, Leo. Let's check if they have healthy options too.
I don't want healthy. I want pizza with extra cheese.
Okay, everyone. Listen for a second. This is a nice restaurant.
That's right. We need to use our polite voices and sit quietly.
Yes, Captain Mom. I will be the most polite boy in the world. And I will be a little princess.
Good. Today is a special treat because you both studied very hard this week.
I'm ready. Let's go inside and find a big table.
After you, my princess, and my little captain. Let's go! Good evening! Welcome to the Sunshine Diner. Good evening. Good evening. We would like a table for 4, please. Do you have a reservation, sir? Yes, I called earlier. The name is Jack Harrison.
Wow! Look at those big fish tanks. Wow! Look at those big fish tanks. They are so pretty. Can we sit near the fish, Mr. Waiter? Thank you so much.
This is a lovely spot. The atmosphere is very pleasant.
Here you are. Is this table comfortable for everyone? This is perfect. Thank you for your help. You are very welcome. Here are your menus. My name is Sam, and I will be your server tonight. I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu.
Thank you, Sam. We need a moment to decide.
Everything looks so good. I'm even hungrier now.
Wow, this menu is huge. There are so many choices.
You're right. Let's look at the main courses section first.
Look, Mommy. This pasta has little stars on it.
That looks like the magic pasta. It has tomato sauce and cheese. Do you want that?
Yes, please. I love cheese. Dad, look at this burger. It's called the Monster Burger. It's giant.
That looks too big for you, Leo. Are you sure you can eat the whole thing?
Of course. I'm a growing boy, remember? I'm really hungry today because I played a lot this morning.
Leo, maybe you should have the junior burger instead. It's a better size for you.
Okay. Can I have it without onions? I really hate onions.
Don't worry, we will tell the waiter. No onions for Leo.
What about you, Jack? What are you gonna order?
I'm not sure. I'm thinking about the grilled chicken or the steak.
The menu says the grilled chicken is their specialty. I recommend trying that.
Good idea. I'll have the chicken. And you, Lily?
I think I'll have a fresh Caesar salad. I want something light tonight.
Just a salad? That's not a real dinner, Mom. Don't you feel hungry with only that?
It's a very big salad, Leo. It has eggs, bread, and chicken too.
Can we have some juice too? I'm thirsty.
Yes, we will order drinks when the waiter Sam comes back. Everyone ready? Are you ready to order? Or do you need a few more minutes? We are ready, Sam. Thank you. Great! What can I get for the little ones first?
I would like the magic pasta with lots of cheese, please.
Excellent choice. And for the young man?
Can I have the junior burger, please? But... Oh? Could you make it without onions?
Of course. One junior burger, no onions. Would you like fries or a salad with that?
Fries, please. Extra crispy.
And for me, I'll have the fresh Caesar salad with grilled shrimp on top.
Certainly. And for you, sir? I'd like the specialty, the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes. Very good. And would anyone like something to drink?
Can I have some orange juice?
Sure, sweetie.
Ah, me too. Large orange juice, please.
Just a bottle of sparkling water for us, please. No ice for me.
Okay, so that's one magic pasta, one junior burger, one Caesar salad, and the grilled chicken. Plus drinks, is that correct?
Yes, that is perfect. Thank you, Sam. You're welcome. Your drinks will be out in just a moment. Here is the magic pasta for the young lady, and the junior burger, no onions, for the gentleman.
Oh, awesome. Look at those fries.
And the specialty grilled chicken for you, sir, and the Caesar salad with shrimp for the lady. Thank you, Sam. Everything looks wonderful.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need anything else.
We will. Thank you. Everything looks delicious, and we're really looking forward to the meal. If we need anything else, we'll let you know.
Mommy, the cheese is so stretchy. This pasta is amazing.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. My salad is very fresh. The shrimp is perfectly cooked.
This chicken is very tender. It has a lot of flavor. How is your burger, Leo?
It's the best burger ever. And there are 0 onions. Thank you for remembering, Dad.
You're welcome. But remember, don't speak with your mouth full.
Sorry. It's just so delicious. Oh, I dropped my napkin. It's under the table.
Don't worry, Mia. Jack, could you ask Sam for some extra napkins when he walks past?
Excuse me, Sam. Could we have a few more napkins, please? Certainly, sir. I'll bring them right away. Thank you.
This is such a nice dinner. I'm so happy we came here tonight.
Hi. How was everything? Did you enjoy your dinner? It was fantastic, Sam. We are all very full. I'm glad to hear that. But, is there any room left for dessert?
Yes, I always have a second stomach for dessert.
Oh, Leo, you are so silly.
What do you think, Lily? Should we let them have a treat?
Well, they did eat all their vegetables. I think they deserve it.
Here is our dessert menu. We have ice cream, chocolate cake, and fruit salad.
Can I have the strawberry ice cream? With a cherry on top?
Of course. One strawberry ice cream with a cherry for the princess.
I want the chocolate volcano cake. It looks like a real mountain.
That sounds a bit too big, Leo. How about we share a chocolate cake, Jack?
That's a great idea. 1 chocolate cake and 2 forks, please. Excellent. Would you like some coffee or tea with your dessert? A decaf coffee for me, please. I'll be back shortly with your sweets.
This is the best day ever. Pizza, burgers, and now chocolate cake.
Would you like some more coffee, Jack?
No thanks, I'm full. We need to find Sam and get our bill.
Look, Daddy. Sam is walking over here with a piece of paper.
Perfect timing. Sam is bringing the bill right now.
This service has been really great, don't you think? Sam was very helpful.
I agree. He really went out of his way to make sure the kids were happy. Here is your bill, sir. Please take your time and let me know when you are ready to pay. Thank you, Sam. Let's look at the check. The total for our meal is $36.
How much do you think we should leave for a tip?
Usually people leave 15%, but this was exceptional service. What do you think about 20%?
I agree. Sam definitely deserves a 20% tip for being so kind.
Okay, so 20% of $36 is $7.20. Let's add that to the bill.
That brings the total to $43.20. It's a fair price for such a wonderful meal.
There we go. All done.
Are we going now? I'm ready for a nap.
Yes, Leo. Let's head home. Thank you again, Sam. Everything was perfect. We will definitely come back soon. Thank you, Mr. Harrison. Have a wonderful night with your family.
That was a wonderful dinner at the
Sunshine Diner.
I really hope you enjoyed practicing these restaurant conversations with our family today.
If you found this English lesson helpful and fun, please show us some love by liking this video.
And subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new story from us.
Before you go, I have a quick question for you. What is one new English word or phrase that you learned from our dinner today?
We are also very curious to know,
Yes.
where in the world are you watching this video from?
Please leave a comment below to let us know. We would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
And we will see you in the next story. Happy learning!